In example 2, we're going to use algebra with segment lengths. We have a diagram here that shows that point M is the midpoint of segment VW. So if you look here, there's point M, and we can tell it's the midpoint of VW because this segment is marked congruent to this segment. Find the length of VM. So we want to figure out how long VM is when we're done here. So what does VM equal? All right, well, because this segment, VM, is marked congruent to this segment, MW, whenever they're congruent, we can say that this segment is equal to this one. So I can say that 4x minus 1 must be equal to 3x plus 3. Now from this, I can solve for x, and once I know x, I can tell how long VM will be. So to solve for x, first I want to get all the x's on one side. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. So I have x minus 1 is equal to 3. Now I'm going to add 1 to each side. And this gives me x equals 4. Now my answer isn't 4. They wanted VM. They didn't want x. So VM is given as 4x minus 1. And now I know that x is equal to 4. So if x is equal to 4, then VM will be 4 times 4 minus 1, which gives me 16 minus 1, which is 15. They don't give me any units, so I don't have to put them. So VM is 15 units long. Now I can make sure this is correct by also putting 4 in here. You'll notice 3 times 4 is 12, plus 3 is also 15. If those didn't come out to be the same, then I would know that I'm mistaken. And that's it for example 2.